How's it going, everyone? Welcome to this episode of Locals Lifestyles. I'm your host, William Daly, and today we're in Ormond by the Sea in this beautifully, recently renovated 3-2, sitting on almost a half of an acre. It's walking distance to the beach. I mean, I can smell the salty Florida air from here. But that's not why I'm bringing you or Robin here today. We're gonna talk about what goes into renovations and the quality of renovations so that you know what you're looking at next time you walk in a home that markets a recent renovation. So let's not waste any time. Robin claims to have a great surprise for me for today, so I wanna see what that is. She's almost here. I'm gonna go meet her out front and I'm gonna show her this house, and then we're gonna see what that surprise is on today's episode of Locals Lifestyles. Welcome to Ormond by the Sea.
Thank you. It's gorgeous out, right?
It's beautiful. A nice fall day in Florida.
I got it. I'm ready for football. So you're ready for work. I'm ready to tailgate.
I never take a day off.
So this is the house you want to show me?
This is.
The one that needed work, right?
This is the one that needed work.
Okay.
And I want you to see the inside because the renovation here was done top notch.
Okay, I'm excited.
So let's take a walk inside.
Let's do it.
Welcome to 229 Standish.
All right. Oh my gosh. So first thing, wow to the kitchen.
Gorgeous, right?
Oh my God. I need to renovate my own kitchen now. Amazing.
They did a great job on the kitchen. Got a true ventilated hood, glass cooktop, all stainless, of course, tons of counter space, and
this
tons of storage space. And that looks right over to your entrance. I mean, it's walking distance to the beach.
I know, it's right there, right?
Yeah, the beach entrance directly across the road here. I mean, you can hear the waves crashing on the outside. You can smell the salt water air. So it's great.
It's pretty.
But I brought you here not only to show you how gorgeous this house is, but I really wanted to take the opportunity to point out some of the things that I know that I look at and that I can see in renovation,
right,
that I know a lot of the clients kind of might overlook when they're looking at a house like this.
Right.
The flooring is consistent throughout. They use this gorgeous hickory. It's throughout the entire house except for the bathrooms and some of these odd end areas like the porch that you have out back there.
Like the wet areas.
Correct.
Okay.
So that's one thing, because some of the renovations that we walk into, the floor can be choppy because they try to use different materials, whether it's carpet, tile, wood, laminate. But it's not just the materials, it's also the contrast of colors and sometimes even the contrast of materials. So let me bring you over to the master because the bathrooms are gorgeous, the master is spacious.
Awesome. Well, I have one question.
What's that?
So as we've been kind of gathering and walking around, there's blue tape everywhere.
Yes.
What's the blue tape? There's
Right.
like little pieces of tape.
No, it's a
kind
great-
of
great question.
It's hurting my OCD. I want to take it all off the wall.
So the blue tape doesn't stay.
Okay.
And that's one of the reasons that I brought you in here, why the renovators were still here. Obviously, they're still doing some work. It's not all the final touches haven't been applied. The blue tape is one of the things that they use for quality control. And it's to remind them of where these blemishes or anything that needs attention to bring their eye back to it.
Got it.
So let's go check out these bathrooms.
Oh my gosh, I'm excited. Kitchens and bathrooms, I think, are my favorite. This is a huge master.
Yes, very spacious. And this is the bathroom that they are still completing. You can smell the process. So very seamless throughout again on the flooring. So again, something that not everybody picks up, but I wanted to point out on this home, and that's why I brought you in here, why the construction was still here and why the house was still available on the market.
So yeah, I was gonna ask you that. It's for sale.
It is for sale
So
right now.
I wanted to buy this and my husband needed to go and give me the money because he could stay at our house and I'll move in here. How much is this one?
So we're just under 600,000, and believe me, there's nothing like this on the market right now.
Well, like you were saying though, we're like, what, 20 steps maybe to the ocean?
Directly across from beach access, so it's not like we just have beach access, we're directly across from it here.
Right.
This is almost a half of an acre. We're just under 0.4, and it's a corner lot. So this house is definitely a rare find.
Well, I noticed how big the lot was when I peeked out the windows.
Right.
And there was the pool, and then still they had this whole huge side yard over there.
Gorgeous house.
Yeah.
Well, thanks for coming out.
Thank you. I'm excited. I can't wait to see when it closes with your amazing title company, I hear. Well, thanks for showing me the house. Now I have somewhere I would like to take you.
Oh boy.
I heard there's a really good mountain bike track around here, and I know you love to mountain bike. You want to go mountain biking with me today?
You mountain bike?
Yeah.
I'd love to go mountain
Let's
biking
do
with
it.
you.
Let's go. I'll meet you there.
Now, you mean like on a real trail?
Yes. It's
You're
around, yes.
gonna go mountain biking?
Yep.
And you've never told me this before.
I'm really good. I think I can give you a run for your money.
Okay.
I'm gonna run home and grab my stuff. You grab yours and I'll meet you there.
I'll meet you there.
All right, sounds good.
Let's
Bye.
do it.
I'll see you later.
I don't know where anybody's at. I'm out here in the woods by myself. Oh, here's Steve.
Hey, man.
What's up, buddy?
What's up, bud? How are you?
I'm doing good, man. You ready to do this?
Absolutely.
I just got one more person that's meeting us.
Okay.
I don't know how good she is, but she said she wants to come out and ride.
All right.
So,
Awesome.
actually, I think that might
Is
be
that
her
her?
right here. I think so. What's up?
Hey! What's up, guys?
What's going on, Shredder?
Woo, you guys ready to ride?
Yeah, we're ready.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, let's go.
Not into mountain biking? No worries, there's still tons to do here at Riverbend Nature Park. The picnic area and playground, the nature and fitness trail, or cast a line right off into the Tomoka River that the park abuts right up to.
I mean, this is Florida at its finest, where we live at the beach, but we play here in the woods. Robin showed us that she has what it takes to come out here and shred with some of us. I'm William Daly with Locals Lifestyles. I'll see you on the next one.